Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to learn physics long answer step by step. Begin by reviewing algebra, trigonometry, and basic calculus, then practice units and vectors daily. Focus on understanding concepts before memorizing formulas and solve simple problems to test ideas. Schedule regular short study sessions and mix reading with active problem solving. Keep a notebook of key derivations and tricks to speed future learning. Work problems actively rather than passively reading solutions, and always attempt an answer before checking notes. Start with guided examples, then tackle variations and harder questions to build resilience. Time yourself occasionally to simulate exam conditions and identify weak spots. After each topic, create a short problem set that hits core ideas and review errors to convert them into focused study goals for faster progress. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long physics sessions with the O-Ala water bottle. It keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, which makes study breaks smoother and less distracted. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a small productivity boost. Now let's get back to the video. Select a primary textbook and a problem book that match your level, and use videos to visualize tricky concepts like fields and interference. Supplement reading with simulations and concise summary notes for quick review. Limit resources to avoid overwhelm and organize study materials by topic. Collaborate with peers to discuss problems and explain ideas aloud, which reinforces understanding and exposes gaps you can target in future sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.